Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to edit your pictures to post for Instagram, Facebook, any of that. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. For this tutorial you'll need these apps. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. So I'm starting off with Facetune. I basically just start off with the picture, which I used, like I set it up in my dining room because the wall is semi-white. So I set it up where the wall is kind of white so it won't be that hard to clean it up. So whatever you do, if you're setting up your pictures, if you want a white background, it's easier to start on a background that's already close to white, so it wouldn't take that long. So I usually start off with Facetune first, and then I'll go to make a collage with the picture, but that's just an option because I like pictures side by side. And then I'll go to InShot, and I'll just go there to add my logo to my page. Well, I'm sorry, to the picture. So as you can see, I have to keep going in and out, in and out, in and out for whiten and glow and conceal. Like sometimes it takes more than just one set of whiten and glow, depending on how your background is. So for me, I use my dining room wall background, and then I put the mannequin on top of the white table that I have, my white sewing table. So that way it'll look like I have a white floor. Now onto InShot, I'm sorry, where I'm going to add my logo. And this is just, I do this first if I only want to use one picture, not like a side-by-side picture. So you'll see that I do this, save it, and then go to the collage to do them side by side, and then go back to InShot again because I forgot I wanted to do a side-by-side picture. And these are the apps that I use. If you know any better apps, you can use those, but these are the apps of my choice, of my liking. So yeah. And I'm pressing edit, but I'm really only pressing edit to get the picture bigger to fit into the squares. So for this particular picture, I didn't need to edit it anymore. So that's why you see me pressing edit, but not really doing anything. It just makes the picture bigger. And now I'm back to InShot, where I'm going to put my logo in the middle of the picture.
One eternity later.
Finally done. I hope you guys liked my short tutorial, and if you did, please come back for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos, and thank you for supporting me.